Abayuuti Abayuuti Community Group is probably based in Kakajo. So we do work upon our programs. Our vision is like we have to empower the youth, and we concentrate on recycling of plastic bottles, so that people, if we do on these activities, people keep on seeing us and they get aware of the bad things that have brought in the community. So we keep on doing such works like drainaging the system channels. I think you've seen here there is some improvement in the area. People have stopped on dumping, unnecessary dumping of plastic bottles within the drainage channels, which has improved one of the systems in the community, and it also encourages clean water. So many these people in the area normally depend on water which is got from the streams, like from the swampy areas within the underground channels. So it is necessarily based on a swampy area, the community here. So we keep on moving on straight forward on the main event of our community. This is one of the systems we've tried to improve in our community. This is the main system in here, Kakajo community basis, which drives waters from the upper part to the lower part of the community. And it was some time back drained by and blocked by some plastic bottles which could come from those ends to the side, and they could block waters from keeping on going to the disposable areas where they collect the water and the such organics which blocked the system. So we try to improve by draining the plastic bottles which were taken for recycling on the other part where we're heading. So it has improved on the sanitation of the community. So you can see there's some improvement. People have tried to maintain it as we did it, as creating some awareness, which was a good progress, and I'm seeing people, they are in a good way of living right now. So we keep on moving on the other side. There we go. We are Abayuuti community-based, a community-based program. We've tried to improve one of the drainage system here. I think people now, we've got some organization in our community whereby people have tried to improve on the sanitation and the hygiene of the drainage system, created by the awareness of the Abayuuti community group. They've tried to improve this sanitation by engaging the community people who come up and organize such programs, and they contribute on the recycling of the plastic bottles which are being dumped within the drainage system. The poor drainage system here has led to the collection of stagnant water in some areas in our community, whereby these areas have acted as breeding grounds for mosquitoes which have affected people's lives and their health. Especially the young kids are suffering from malaria cases that are increasing in our community. So we can overcome this situation by mobilizing the masses in the community that can come together and work upon such issues, like making good drainage system channels that can be of a good flow of these stagnant waters in our community. And here's one of the challenges we've faced in our community, especially this place. People this side, I think we tried some time back to work upon with them to clean up this place, but still the engagement between the people and we, it's still low. People have failed up to keep on the hygiene, which is becoming a problem this side. So, and the increased dumping of polythene bags and the plastic bottles has also increased in this case, due to people who are not collaborating with the Abayuuti and the KCC to gather their Casa Silo stuff, and they take it for recycling to the proper places, whereby this area has become a ground for whereby the soils here this side are contaminated with polythene papers and the plastic bottles, whereby you cannot do anything here which is progressive, like gardening and farming. Here people have tried to plant their banana stuff, but it is not coming out as the way they need it. And so it is also becoming a center of the eradication of some diseases, like cancerous diseases, which are got from these plastic materials which are within gathered here. So it has been also a challenging problem which has affected us. So I don't know whether we can come about with some measures to come about this. Join hands. We need to just join hands and solve this problem by engaging with the community people, so that we can make some stuff which is good and a little bit organized. We do create organizing centers for recycling this system, like recycling of polythene papers, so that we can composite them in one place, so that we can burn them either, so that they can perish, and we control a little bit of this disorganization in the drainage system channels, which is eradicating from such a disease. So therefore, we shall be solving on the problem of diseases which are being spread to the masses of people in the community. And some people, it will also improve on the health capacity of the people within the community, and the lives of the children will be secure, and the life expectancy of the people here within the society will be well. Okay, in this case, one of the measures we're going to be recycling the plastics and the polythene papers in some centers which have been set up by KCC on a community basis, which is located the other side where we're heading to. And the other stuff, we can say no use to these things, like these companies who use these packaging materials like bottles and polythene bags. People should come up and petition these people in courts of law, sue them. What they are doing is not good in the right way, because they are making people's lives suffer a lot with such problems like diseases. So, and other people have also used this as their advantage of making their plantations within the area, which is also affecting you. It is also bringing the stuff, or the problem of soil siltation, where you find soils when they are intervening into the drainage system, whereby they are also affecting the movement of the water from one place to another place. So they will keep on going on that side. Probably as one of the final stuff we've come to encounter in our community measures, we've come to make some collection centers for plastics. This has encouraged the hygiene and the sanitation of the place, and people have get to know about the place here. They don't easily just dump plastic bottles as the way they feel it in their areas or residential houses. So they collect it and bring it here, and after here it's taken to the industries for recycle into proper use by the other industries which manufacture such a products of drinks, water and such a stuff. So therefore I conclude calling upon every person within my community, so that they can come together and engage in such activities of promoting a good hygiene and a good healthy environment, which is an ecosystem. Fine.